Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a wig review for you. This one is from WIGENCOUNTERS. They were kind enough to send me this wig. So if you're interested to see how I got it to look like this, please keep watching. But before you do that, if you haven't subscribed already, please click the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more of them. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the wig came in this box here, and it's just your standard wig box that you would get from any hair company. It's got the WIGENCOUNTERS logo on it, and then just inside you get the wig, of course, and they also give you a wig cap. This is just, yeah, your standard one. With the holes in it. I'm not really a fan of using this under my wigs. This one more so for like crochet braid wigs or something like that would work. And then they've also got a card with their logo on it. WIGENCOUNTERS is serving people who are new to wigs or those beginners hesitant to install wigs by themselves, worrying about not looking good or normal. So we're here. And then it's just got the description of the hair. This one is an Indian remy hair texture, colors natural black, hair length is 10 inches, hair density is 180%. The cap construction is glueless, 360 lace frontal wig with baby hair around the perimeter, natural pre-plucked hairline, Swiss lace material, cap size average, and the lace color is brown. Okay, so we're just gonna get straight into it. It's got the net around it, which is standard with all wigs. And then this is the wig here. So it's a short bob wig with bangs. Okay, just my first impressions. The hair is very soft. I like the texture, it feels really nice. It's got a bit of thickness to it, which is good, because sometimes I find bobs that are already pre-done, there's not a lot of fullness in the wig. It's a bit, you know, flimsy around the ends of the hair, and I like a lot of density at the bottom of my bobs. I just think it looks better. Looking at the bangs, yeah, it's not too thick, which is good, because sometimes thick bangs, yeah, for me, not really my thing. It's got a natural looking scalp there, but that's not really a big deal because it is a wig with bangs, so you're not really going to be seeing the lace area, but it's there regardless. You can definitely add a bit of powder to make it look more natural. Right off the bat, it looks pretty good. So let's see what the inside looks like. We've got 3 combs, 1 at the front, 2 on the sides, side and side, and 1 at the back. That's standard with pretty much all wigs. And you've got the adjustable straps at the back, so you can make it tighter. Now, I don't like combs in my wigs, so I always take them out. So I'm just going to do that off camera really quickly. Okay, so I've taken the combs out, so there's nothing left in there. And I don't like using the combs because I don't find them comfortable. It just ends up getting caught up in my hair and it's annoying, so I always take them out. Now looking at the lace, it's been bleached ever so lightly. I don't need to bleach the knots, which is all right by me. So I'm just going to cut the lace off camera because it'll be a lot easier if I do it that way. Okay, so this is the lace, it's been cut. So I'm just going to shift my wig cap back a little bit because I don't need it all the way forward like that, and adjust the straps at the back so it'll fit my head nice and snug. And let's try it on. Okay. This is what it looks like just out of the packet. I've got the ear tabs on the side here in the right position, and here's the other side. It sits nicely in place. Okay, so I've just got my straightener, and I'm just gonna go through and just kind of just give it a bit more shape. I don't really have to do much to it because the style is already there. bangs, I'm just gonna lightly bump it. Okay, so as I'm brushing everything into place, some of the longer hairs are falling to the front where the bangs are, so I'm just gonna cut those bits just to fit in with the bangs. Let me just grab my mirror. Now the good thing about wearing bangs is if you feel it's a little bit too low and it's like going into your, eyes, you can simply just shift it back a little bit. I don't mind my bangs kind of hitting me at my lashes though, so I'm just going to take it down a little bit. This is like the perfect place for me because it sits just above my lashes and it's not like in the way of me seeing. So lastly, I'm just going to use some of this finishing hair cream. It's like that that wax stick, and I'm just going to use it to lay some of these flyaways just to neaten it up a little bit more. And I just got this on eBay. I know that is it RPG? I think they sell it. I don't know how much they sell it for, but this was like $5. So does the same job though. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's all done, everything's in place. I like how it looks now. I think it frames my face nicely. And the thing for me is with wigs that have bangs, sometimes I don't necessarily like the hair really sleek and really straight. I don't mind a bit of texture and volume to it. I think it adds, some fun to it. So yeah, I like that you can kind of play around with the hair and create some texture as well. That's what the back looks like. The hair's nice and light, but like I said, it's got a bit of fullness to it, which I like. Now I didn't put down the ear tabs because I just didn't feel like it, but you can definitely do that. If I'm wearing bangs, I don't want to be using any got to be on my edges, because for me it defeats the purpose of having the bangs in the first place. The whole point of me wearing bangs is so I don't have to worry about what my hairline and my edges is looking like, but I can still look cute when I put on the wig because it covers everything. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know if you like this look on me. As always, I'll leave all the information down below in the description box for this wig, and you can go check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!